Okay, so we left it here in the previous video, and I am just completing the video, completing this thing. You got the influence line. You know the point is blinking because we have selected the uh, 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 joint 10. See, joint label 10, and let me show you that labels. Okay, so this was your joint 10. That's why it's blinking that we are in the response to this point we are drawing all the things, this influence line diagram. And please keep in mind that this influence line is constructed with three output stations. If you remember, in the assign, in the frame, we have did something which we will do again. And these stations were specified for the girder objects, right? Now points for the influence line are calculated at each output station, and these points are then connected by straight lines, right? These are the straight lines. Now let me take you to the display and show forces and stresses, and select move one, and let me show you bending moment and show values on diagram, right? So this is your bending moment diagram. You got it. Now this moment diagram is constructed with two output segments specified for the girder objects, if you remember. Points for the moment diagrams are calculated at each output station, and these points are then connected by straight lines, as I mentioned in the case of influence line. Okay, so how you can improve it, how you can improve the quality? So just unlock the model. Okay, you have unlocked the model, show the undeformed shape, right? You have did it. Now for the objects from 8 through 13, select these objects, and I show you previously that you can select it from option, or you can select the previous selection. It is not working, so select from the properties, click girder. Okay, so you have selected them all. Go to the assign, go to the frame, go to the output stations, and instead of 3 just put 11 here, for example. Okay, and click OK. So now click the undeformed and run the analysis again. Make sure it is do not run, and run the analysis and see. It is taking some time to run the analysis, and this is your bending moment diagram. Now if you compare both the diagrams, you will see a much clear difference between this diagram and the previous one, because this will be much smoother than the previous one. Okay, similarly, if you want to check the influence line diagram, just go here and make sure the things are same as previously, and this diagram you will notice that is much smoother than the previous diagram. And that's how you can run the analysis of a bridge with any kind of load, any dimension of the bridge, the width, length, it's up to you. You can increase the number of bays, you can play with the girder dimension, the column dimension, the height of the column, etc. Because from here on you can analyze any type of bridge in 2D, and this is very very simple and very easy way. It's not time consuming, and it gives you the very basic detail about the bridge. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next video with some more interesting things. Thank you very much.